Cracking the code, mastering the art of defining and classifying in essays. Hello, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to dive into a critical skill that you will need not only for academic writing but also in the professional world. We are talking about defining and classifying in essays. This skill is crucial as it can help you organize your thoughts, present your ideas more clearly, and make your essays more compelling. So, let's get started. When you define something in your essay, you are clearly explaining what a term or a concept means. This allows your reader to understand exactly what you are referring to. On the other hand, classifying involves sorting ideas, objects, or phenomena into categories, helping your reader see how these various elements relate to each other. Example: democracy, a system where power is vested in the people who rule either directly or through elected representatives, can be classified into three types: direct, representative, and constitutional. In this example, the term democracy is defined, and then it is classified into three types. Defining terms in your essays requires precision and clarity. Here are a few steps to follow. 1. Introduce the term. Mention the term you wish to define. 2. Define the term. Provide a clear and accurate definition of the term. 3. Use the term in context. After defining the term, use it in a sentence to show how it applies to your essay's topic. Remember, your definitions should not be too lengthy, and they should always be relevant to your essay's theme. Classifying ideas in your essays is a way of organizing your thoughts. Here's how to do it. 1. Identify the categories. Decide on the categories that you will use to classify your ideas. 2. Sort the ideas. Once you have your categories, sort your ideas into these categories. 3. Explain each category. Provide details about each category, and discuss the ideas you have classified under each one. Remember, effective classification can help your reader understand the relationships between your ideas more easily. The skill of defining and classifying isn't only useful in academic essays but also finds application in various professional contexts. For instance, in a business report, you may need to define various terms related to your industry and classify data into different categories. This will help your colleagues or superiors understand your report more easily. In presentations, defining unfamiliar terms and classifying information can help your audience follow along and engage more effectively with your content. And that wraps up our session on defining and classifying in essays. Remember, the key is to practice these skills consistently. In doing so, you'll not only improve your writing abilities but also enhance your ability to communicate complex ideas more clearly and effectively. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to keep learning and expanding your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy writing!